Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to close all running apps on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Phone Manager app, then tap on System Boost. Now as you can see, these are all the apps which are running on your smartphone. Now to close all the running apps, just tap on Boost now, and it will close all the running apps on your smartphone. Sometimes some apps are not detected by the System Booster app and they run in the background. Now to stop those specific apps from running in the background, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the control center on your smartphone. Then tap on the three dots in the control center and tap on Active Apps. And from here, you will find all the apps which are running in the background. Now to stop these apps from running in the background, just tap on Stop. And once you do that, you will stop all the running apps on your smartphone. And this is how you can close all running apps on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.